Hello. This live was muted, but I just wanted you to take note of her daughter's hair. And I'm not talking about her daughter, I'm talking about the mother. She went and got her hair braided, as we all know, but look at her daughter's hair. And look at all this salt and country crock she's getting ready to use. Yet again. The bucket is about gone because she used it every single day. And she moved the camera because she didn't want us to see her daughter. Nika is a mess. Look at this. Look at she telling her to get out the camera. See? Why won't she go allow this girl to get her hair done? It doesn't make any sense. Now she gonna put hot water in the country crock tub so she can get the rest of the butter out. Nobody wants to see all that. She's just trying to cause a distraction. She's pathetic. I mean, you actually went and got your hair braided, but you won't take your daughter to get her hair braided? And she doesn't realize it's muted, but she'll still put the video out anyway. Why do you have the dishwashing detergent sitting on top of the stove? And like I stated before over here, the piece of my opinion, it's not about being malicious or mean-spirited, but the things she do is just ridiculous. And the neglect that she shows towards her children. I mean, it's like they live a life that's even below bare minimum. Those two burners on the front do not work. Why haven't she reported that to the landlord, maintenance people, whoever comes around there and takes care of items? I guess because they've torn up things and she don't want them to know. Not really sure. She's making spaghetti, and I will give another video, I think, because we got to show the half a box of sugar that she uses. Look how much ground beef she's using for all of her children. That will feed that's enough meat, and this is in my opinion, for possibly 2 people, 3 people at best, and that's not getting leftovers. It's like she don't ever think about making enough food for them to have leftovers. Look at that. And then these one pots and pans, look how they look. And she may have made another one where she was talking. I'll get into that one as well so we can hear exactly what she's saying. But I just wanted to do this one. So I could point out what we are looking at. Now here we go with more distractions about some Christmas stuff. And this is what be killing me about these women over here in the mommy sector on YouTube. So you're watching this on TikTok, come on over to YouTube and check out my channel. A piece of my opinion, because that's all this is my opinion. I'm talking about what I see. I'm talking about what they show. Now, why are we worrying about something like this? To me, this is pointless. And the kids Get a spoonful of spaghetti, sugared down spaghetti at that. And I understand they're kids, and so you have to, in some situations, you have to address holidays with some kids because they don't understand, and they shouldn't have to understand because they have a parent like her. You know, there are different situations out here that kids would have to understand, but her situation, nah. She's just, all she really think about is herself, in my opinion. The kids are just really her connection to the government handouts, because she makes sure she gets what she needs off the top. And if she is getting child support, she pulls what she needs off the top. She don't take care of those children like she should. And she don't get a job like she should, so that she can support her family. Look at that. That's tacky. Who cares? Go get your kids' hair done. Go get them some real shoes for the winter. Go buy some basic kitchen equipment. This one spoon you keep using, going back and forth. Ground beef, rice, Kool-Aid, frying in the pan, making chicken and pork chops. Same slotted spoon. Look at that. That's not enough meat for, what, 10, 11 people. Even if you just make it for the kids. 8, look at that, for 8 kids. And look how much meat is in that pot. And then we see the video with the sugar. You're going to see how much sugar she uses.